Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be restoring the bumpers on my Mark 1. As you can see, here's the front bumper and there's the back bumper. So these bumpers were bought brand new a while back from Mandos. These are aftermarket bumpers. The fitment's not bad, but unfortunately I think the quality of the plastic itself is not great. As you can see with the UV rays, these things actually turn color. So this was actually almost a grey, or pale grey. So what I did initially was I went to my desk and I bought black back. I've used this before and it worked pretty well, so I thought it might work here. This bumper is actually, after applying the black pack, sorry, and you can see it didn't make much of a difference. So after some thought, I said let me just try a spray, and I'm a huge fan of Rust-Oleum, and I found this trim and bumper paint. Focus. And I've used that on this bumper. It's a bit shinier than I would have liked. I would have liked to have gone for a satin finish, but yeah, not bad at all. I mean, it's night and day between these two. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So as most people use silicons and polishes on the bumpers, this has had its fair share over the years. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash it down, and then I'm going to use a general purpose degreaser. You can use sunlight liquid or whatever you have. I'm use that with a scouter, rub it down. After I do that, then I'm going to use thinners on a cloth, wipe that down, and then we'll put the spray on. So let's degrease it first. Alright, so next up we will wipe this with some lacquer thinners. Okay, so there's no rocket science to this, so let me bring it back after I wipe the entire bumper down. Okay, now we're going to mask up the indicators left and right. Okay guys, so here we have the finished product. As you can see, the bumpers are sprayed. Let's give a close up. I'm really happy with the finish of the bumpers. That's the front. I've done that. I've added the reflectors here in white. I don't know what you guys think. And I made the beading, the curls around the beading. I've made it chrome. It was red. I just put chrome to break it up, because previously red on red you couldn't really see it, although red is the GTI signature. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the chrome and the reflectors. Should I leave it? Should I take it out? But yeah, that's it. Excuse the condition of the car. It's been parked. It's been a month since last wash, and it's been parked outside, so it's really dusty and dirty. So here we have the rear bumper as well, as can be seen. Really happy with it. The only thing I would have done differently is give it lighter coats than what I did do. But yeah, really happy with this finish. Looks quite OEM. So guys, let me know what you think. If you enjoy the video, like, share, subscribe. Till the next one. Cheers, mate.